Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I'm bringing you a review, swatches, demo and comparisons between two luxury palette of pops by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm talking about the one in Pillow Talk as well as the one on Celestial Eyes. These are again luxury palette of pops, so these are new on the lines, and I'm very excited for you to see my demo and go over all the details about these palettes. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider to subscribe to my channel and ring the post notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and check my Instagram. And now, if you are ready to know more about this luxury palette of pops, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the Pillow Talk palette of pops for my eye look today, and then I'm going to go ahead and compare it to the Celestial Eyes so you can get an idea of what's the difference between them, if they are worth or not. So this palette right here costs the same as all her luxury pots, $53, so doesn't matter whether you choose this one or this one, the cost is the same. And they are also made in Italy, same amount of grams, so 5.2 grams total. And let me show to you the unit card. There's nothing really special about it. The unit card is the same thing, it just says right here, now on this side, luxury palette of pops. And then when you take it out, it looks exactly the same as all of her other quads. So there you go, it is the same component, same thing inside. It's just that these palette of pops, they are basically shimmer shades, very like glistening shades. That's what you're getting with this palette of pops, and it comes with a mirror. So here you go, this is the shade Pillow Talk. Now, as you may remember, when I got this palette right here, the Celestial Eyes, unfortunately 2 of the shades came broken, so I was able to exchange it, and let me just show them to you side by side so you can see the difference of the shadows on the pans. So here is the Celestial Eyes and here it is Pillow Talk luxury palette of pops. Alrighty then, and now let me get you closer so we can start with the eye look, show you swatches, and then go for the comparison. So here it is, the palette, a little bit closer. Really beautiful, and let me just do the swatches for you. So the first top shades, and then the 2 bottom shades. Now this palette right here, you can purchase it at Sephora, Charlotte Tilbury's website, Beautylish, there's many other retailers that actually carry this palette right here. Now let's go ahead and start applying the shadows. So first I'm gonna go with the lighter shade. Then I'm gonna go to the pinky shade. And you can apply these shadows dry or wet. So let me apply it wet because I feel that it's not giving me the pigmentation that I want. And now I'm gonna go into this shade here. I'm gonna apply it on the 3rd of my eyelid. Now this shade right here has a better payoff. Now for my outer V, I'm going to go to the darkest shade in the pen. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go into this shade. I do feel that I still need a little bit more of this shade right here, so I'm going to go ahead and use a Sigma E56 brush. And I'm just going to target it above and kind of like on my brow bone too. And then I'm going to go again to this shade right here, and now I'm going to wet it and I'm going to apply it on my inner corner. You definitely get a better payoff if you wet the eyeshadow. Alrighty my friends, and here it is the final look. So let me compare these two right here. So first I'm gonna swatch the Pillow Talk one, and then below I'm gonna be swatching the Celestial Pops. Here's Pillow Talk Pops. Here's the Celestial Eyes. So as you can tell, the Pillow Talk one is more pinkish tone, a little bit warmer, and then the Celestial Pops, it is a little bit more goldeny, brownish undertone. Okay my friends, and now that I'm done trying these luxury palette of pops Pillow Talk, I think I'm ready to give you a little bit more of my feedback. But before I do so, I just want to show you a couple other plots right here. For example, I have here the Walk of Shame on this side right here, and I mean they are not identical, but I will say that this shade right here, it's kind of like that pinky tone that we are finding right here on these. I mean the difference is subtle. The one from Walk of Shame, it's a little bit more warmer, and the one from Pillow Talk, it's a little bit more pinky in tone. But I mean overall they are very close, but they are not the same. And I do have other palettes as well. I do have here, what are these, Exaggerize right here with the Pillow Talk. Again, the pop shade right here, you only get 1 or 2 pops. And then I have here the Dolce Vita, right now it's called Bella Sofia. And I mean there's nothing too alike to it, maybe the lightest shade, but the lightest shade in Dolce Vita, it's a little bit more ivory, while the one from Pillow Talk is a little bit more champagne-y. So let's see, I can swatch it right here. So below is Pillow Talk and here's Dolce Vita. So I mean you will not find dupable shades on these eyeshadow pots right here, but they are so similar. That's the thing with Charlotte Tilbury. Everything is it's just very similar to each other. So to me, if I was to choose between the two new palettes of pops, I will go with the Celestial Eyes, because I think the shades are a little bit more vibrant. This shade right here, I mean these two shades right here, they make the palette very unique. And even this golden shade, it just have a little something different. I mean with Charlotte Tilbury, that's who she is. That's what the line stands for very easy, simple type of flawless makeup, seamless, without too much fuss about it. So you will not find a lot of contrast between each color, and that's just across the board with Charlotte Tilbury. I'm happy with my purchase, but if I was to pick between the luxury palette of pops, the Celestial Eyes, and the one from Pillow Talks, I will go with Celestial Eyes. I think it's just, it gives me a little bit of something different than the one from Pillow Talk. From Pillow Talk, I get that, you know, the soft pinky look, but I can get it with other quads from her, or as well as like her new eyeshadows from the holiday collection, the Starry Eyes to Hypnotize. You can see that you have very alike shades. I mean the darkest one obviously is not here, but I mean overall I think you have enough to work with. So even if you have this one, I don't think it is this one, because this palette right here is basically all her pop shades, shimmer shades. There's just 1, 2, 3 mattes right here. So anyhow, I think it is beautiful, but is, in comparison with other palettes on her line, I think this will fall a little bit behind, but it is gorgeous. I mean, I'm happy that I have added to my collection. As you know, I love Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm here to give you my honest not only review, I mean, on quality, it's an amazing quality. Don't get me wrong on that. It's an amazing quality. I mean, I will never regret to get it, but I'm here to give you my honest perspective that if you have so many quads and eyeshadow palettes from Charlotte Tilbury, this may not be like, oh, in front of the line, go get it. Mostly if you're kind of like debating between this palette or this palette right here, I will say these two palettes right here, they will be really big contenders to this palette right here. Anyhow, my friends, I hope that this review helps you, that you were able to see a little bit of the difference right here. That being said, if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with somebody else that may like this type of content. I always love to hear your feedback. Your comments are so appreciated. I love to read them, so please leave your comments down below. And if you haven't done so yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's very simple. Down this screen in red says subscribe. Just tap in there. It's completely free, and I have great videos coming up, reviews, unboxings, hauls, I mean, you name it, many things. So please give me the opportunity, subscribe to my channel and ring the post notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos, because believe me, you don't want to miss any of my content. And if you have the chance, please visit my Instagram. I would love to have your support also there. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.